In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect a slide background from edits in PowerPoint. If you build slide decks that multiple people touch, keeping your background consistent is essential. The most reliable way to do that in PowerPoint is to work in the Slide Master, which controls the design across your presentation. Instead of placing background elements on individual slides, you'll define them at the master level, so they're not easily changed on normal slides. Start by opening the Slide Master. Go to the View tab and choose Slide Master. This switches you into the Master view, where you'll see the top master slide and all the associated layouts beneath it. Think of the master slide as the global template, and each layout as a specific variation used by different types of slides, like title slides or content slides. Next, select the slide you want to protect. If you want the background to apply everywhere, click the master slide at the very top. If you only want it on certain types of slides, select the specific layout you use for those slides. Choosing the right level here is what gives you precise control later. Now set the background. Right-click on the slide canvas and choose Format Background. Pick the fill type that suits your design. Solid for a flat color, gradient for a more dynamic look, picture for a branded image, or pattern for subtle texture. If you're using an image, choose one with appropriate resolution so it looks crisp when projected. When you're happy, apply it at the level you selected. Apply to master if you want it everywhere that inherits from the master, or apply to layout if you only want it on that specific layout. Finally, let's talk about locking. PowerPoint doesn't let you lock content completely, but there's a practical workaround. Add your background elements, logos, shapes, watermarks, and design accents directly on the master or layout instead of on normal slides. Because they live in the master, they can't be edited on regular slides. Normal slides cannot change master background objects. They can only be rearranged or, at most, covered by new objects. That means your core branding remains stable, while slide creators still have flexibility with their content. If you need variations, create multiple layouts in the master with different background options, and choose the appropriate layout when building slides. By setting your background in Slide Master and placing design elements there, you protect your visual foundation while keeping the editing experience simple for everyone else.